So guys, hello YouTube channel Rolbs TV. So this is the Lakers Kobe Bryant jersey made in Adidas. I buy this jersey here at Singapore 2nd Street Boutique Shop. So look at the logo, NBA, Adidas. So this is the letters of Lakers number 24. So this is I think this is a vintage jersey. Vintage jersey. You see, Bryant. Check the stitch. It's very nice, very beautiful. See the numbers, number 24, and check the stitch. So it's all perfect. We can check at the back of the jersey. So you can see here, made in Vietnam, Adidas, and the size of the jersey is small. I don't know the E and P. Look at the stitch of the back. So this is the price I buy for 100 SGD. 2nd Street. So this is the code. You can see here the month and year, July 2011, and they have a 6-digit number 160608 7912A. I don't know what is this, and this is the barcode of Adidas. So this is the tag. You see the tag. So this is the code. Polyester, Vietnam, made in Vietnam. So I'm very lucky because this is my dream jersey, you know. So I buy vintage jersey for 100 SGD dollar here in Singapore 2nd Street. So please comment and subscribe. Please comment this is legit or fake, because I'm not a professional to check how it's jersey original and local. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Rolbs TV. Thank you.